Hello, my name is John Sitka. I am doing a video discussion board forum 1. This is for EDUC 631. The purpose of this first part will be to create a distant learning vision statement. I have a vision statement for Mid-Atlantic Maritime Academy. It reads as follows. Mid-Atlantic Maritime Academy will be known as a premier provider of higher quality distant maritime education courses and programs. It is a strategic imperative and the guiding principles that are to provide education of any time, anywhere, student-focused and learning-centered education. Results of this leveraging technology to the best capabilities will enhance the reputation of the school and increase the intellectual stimulation opportunities of the students. Part 2 is to explain your statement with the results of implementing the future distant learning. Be advised that we do not currently have distant learning. This is something we are currently exploring. So everything here is based upon the following statements. We have a mission statement of being current. We have a current mission statement, which is general face-to-face training, classroom training, of being a premier provider of maritime education. We pride ourselves on the highest quality training. We want to create and develop distant education to be available to all mariners anywhere, anytime in the world, because mariners are on ships, and they'll be at any place around the world, which would include various times. We want to use state-of-the-art, we already use state-of-the-art simulators. That includes our full bridge mission simulator, our fire trainers, and our engine room. And to say that, if we're going to use state-of-the-art and quality equipment, there's no reason for us not to develop the same quality that we've done here already, is to kind of figure out how to incorporate that same high quality into distant learning. Quality education has been a mainstay, and it's been part of our reputation of why the school has done so well and has existed. It's not just to teach the students the test. We actually teach them how everything works. We put them through all kinds of training and scenarios. The goal is, in distant training or distant education, is to figure out how to do the same thing as well. Now, that being said, everything I've talked to up to this point is what we have. I am proposing. None of this stuff currently exists yet. In fact, that's one of the reasons of taking this course, was for the purpose of a doctoral program, but in addition to that is to learn how to do distant learning effectively, and to learn how to do it qualitatively. We want to make sure it is the best of the best. Again, this is a new area. We're going to learn as much as we can, and of course this is based upon first starting, let's create a vision statement, why we've done it, and where we're going. This information that was created was from the books that we are currently using with Simonson, Teaching and Learning at a Distance Foundations. The next one is was a chapter 1 from the book, handbook, if you call it that, for Spectre. And this one started on chapter 1 with Michael Melinden, historical, because this is where some of this information came from, and with Michael Spector as well on chapter 2, theoretical foundations. A lot of the information when creating these vision statements came from some of this stuff, as well as from most of the books here. So we'll put this also on our board, and I'd like for everybody to take a look and tell me what your thoughts or feelings on some of this stuff. Thank you. My name is John Sitka.